Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a card share video. I have two cards to share with you today. I am coming at you with a using my Spellbinders dies video. So you have to excuse me, I'm a little bit under the weather, so my voice is not totally here. Plus I have this really horrible cough. Hopefully that won't rear its ugly head. So let's get started. So to create the cards this time around, I used one of my new favorite items, and that's the Spellbinders 3D embossing folder, and it's called Leafy 3D. Um, I just really like this a lot. When it comes out, no matter what color you use, it's beautiful. So I used this on both of the cards. I also used these Spellbinders Color Essential Gems, the opals. And these are probably my favorite gems from Spellbinders. I use these quite a bit. And I have, as I said in the past, I have two sleeves in here. So it makes it look like it's a lot. But I have two sleeves in one package. So what dies did I use? So I purchased recently one of the dies. And one of them I have been having a while. So my newly purchased die was this one, and it's the Peacock Butterfly by, I think it's Dawn Bibi. And I had been looking at this one, and I really couldn't tell if I wanted to use it, purchase it, because the butterfly was pretty large. And even though I use 5x7 card bases, I wasn't sure if this die was going to fit, but you'll see in a moment that it does fit. It's a beautiful die, super simple to make, but a lot of gluing and layering. So, but I enjoyed it totally. And then the other die set I use is the one that's been in my stash for a while, and this is this cute Kaleidoscope Peacock. So I thought sharing cards with these that I made with these two dies was really appropriate. This little peacock is adorable, and it's just been sitting here in my container of unused products for a long time. And so I went ahead and bit the bullet and used this one, and it's the Kaleidoscope Peacock. So the first card is using the Kaleidoscope Peacock, and here she is. It's a cute little A2 size card. Super simple. I used a greeting or sentiment from my stash. This is, I'm not sure where these are from. They're they're already created, and you just kind of punch them out and use them. But I think she turned out really cute. So once I made it, I really didn't know what to do with the peacock. So I made it look like she was kind of trying to stand up on the sentiment here. But I think the card is lovely. I used the little gems as part of her headpiece here. And I think it turned out really nice. I used paper from my cardstock that was purchased from Joanne. It's the basil paper. I kind of used the same colors that the picture in the dice set used. I just kind of wanted to hurry up and make the card to see how much I liked it. It was super simple. So the next time I use this, I'll share with you guys with a different colorway. So, but there she is, super pretty. So the next one is the butterfly. And so here she is. This is a 3x5, I think. Oh, man, I never used this thing. See, it's upside down. It's not 3x5, 5x7. I'm sorry, I think my cold medicine is getting is waning, so I'm waning. So here is the card, and once again, this is just, I thought it turned out really nice. One of the things that challenged me in this card was, once again, picking the colors that I wanted to use, but also in gluing this purple layer here, because you didn't want to go over, you wanted to go over the white layer, and I did pretty well on it. I think this is the one little section here that kind of shows a little more white outline that I, intended. But I think the card is gorgeous with that background, just like really sweet colors, I think, and I can't wait to try this again. Choosing some different colors, some maybe outlandish combinations that I like to do. This one was kind of safe because I wanted to get it done and see how I like using the die set. But I think they both turned out really pretty. Let me know what you think below. Which one is your favorite? Is it the Kaleidoscope Peacock or the Peacock Butterfly? Isn't that funny? They both have Peacock in their name. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thank you for subscribing and maybe hitting that like button if you like the video. I would appreciate it. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.